Isra, and here is core number 1. I will go through and do a tutorial of each exercise, and then we'll do 5 together, and then it's your choice to do as many as you want from there on. Okay. So the first exercise we'll be doing is called pike ups. Some people call them V-ups, but I call them pike ups. So go ahead and sit horizontal on your mat, and then lean back, arms stretched all the way, and you're going to bring your arms and feet together simultaneously while you lift your upper body up. So I'll go ahead and do 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so the next exercise we'll be doing are called tuck-ups. So they're pretty much the same thing except with bent legs. I'm going to do my tuck-ups with full extension into a rip entry, which is what divers should do. But if you're a swimmer, then streamline, okay? So I'll go ahead and demonstrate. Lean all the way back just like in your pike up. And then you're going to bring together, kick out, look, reach. Okay? So let's go ahead and begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next up, we're going to do 1 leg tuck-ups on each leg. So I'll keep this in the same video, so it's a lot easier to follow. I'm going to go ahead and do 5 on 1 leg and then 5 on another. So think of a tuck-up, but only with 1 leg. That's kind of the best way to explain it. So let's go ahead and give it a shot. Lean back in your hollow. You're going to bring 1 up, and that's 1. Okay? 1 up, and that's 1. So let's go ahead and begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go ahead and do the other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so next up we have toe touches. So this one's a little different. You're going to go ahead and scoot forward on your mat and put your legs up at a 90-degree angle, sitting flat on your back or laying flat on your back. You're going to take your hands and reach up to your toes, like toe touchers. So let's go ahead and give it a shot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next up we have hollow rockers. You're back sitting on your mat again, and you're going to lean back into a hollow, and what you're going to do is rock. So these are a little difficult at first to understand, but once you do, they're pretty easy. So I think the best way to explain this one is to just go ahead and do it. So I'm going to go ahead and begin, okay? So I lift my feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So next we have straddle hollow rockers. They're pretty much the same as regular hollow rockers, except your legs are going to be in a straddle. So the same rocking motion, except your legs are in a straddle. Pretty simple. So go ahead and lay back, arms above your ears, and straddle your legs, and then go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next we have side crunches. So pick your favorite side. I kind of like to think of them like mermaids, kind of. So turn to your side. You're going to put 1 arm down to brace you right here, 1 arm above, and you're going to go ahead and lift up like this, okay? And we're going to do 5 on each side. So let's go ahead and begin. Turn over, put 1 on the ground, lay on your side, arm above your ear, and lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go ahead and flip around to the other side. I'll do this for you. Put that arm down to brace you, arm above your ear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next up, we have a 30-second hollow hold. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that with you. It's just holding your hollow position for 30 seconds. So let's go ahead and start. Ready, begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So for our next exercise, we are going to do flutter and scissor kicks. I think of flutter as the vertical ones and scissor as horizontal. Okay? So we're going to go ahead and start with flutter. Up, down, together is 1 for flutter, and side, side, together is 1 for scissor. So I'll go ahead and demonstrate flutter. We'll do 5 of those, and then we'll take a brief break and talk about scissor kick a little more, and we'll go ahead and do that next, okay? So let's go ahead and do flutter kick. So legs out, you're going to go 1, 2, together, 1, 1, 2, together, 2, 1, 2, together, 3, 1, 2, together, 4, 1, 2, together, 5. Okay? Usually I do them a little faster, it makes it easier to count, if that's helpful. Next we're going to do the scissor kicks, or some people call them like crisscrosses. So let me just demonstrate 1, 1, 2, together is 1. Okay? So let's go ahead and begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so next up we are going to be doing leg lifts. The special thing about these leg lifts are we are going to do 45-90 leg lifts, 0-90 leg lifts, and 0 to 45 leg lifts. So when they're talking about that, they're talking about degrees. We all know that 90 degrees is a right angle, so 45 is half of 90. So you are going to go 90 degrees, which is here, 45, which is about here, and 0, which is the ground. Okay? I'll go through and demonstrate, make it a little clearer if you're not understanding. But yeah, otherwise it's pretty easy. I think it's easier if you have some marks on the wall, but since I don't have those right now, I'm just going to go ahead and guesstimate where each one is. That should be good enough. So we're going to start with 5 45 to 90 leg lifts. So you're going to go ahead and lay back. As I said earlier, this is 90 degrees, so this forms a right angle right here. Toes pointing to the ceiling. 45 I would say is about here, so you're about halfway from here to 0. Okay? So we're looking at 5 45 to 90 leg lifts. Let's go ahead and start at 45. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Next we have 0 to 45 leg lifts. So we're going to start at 0, which is straight down like this. Lift our feet up to 45 like this. Okay? So let's go ahead and begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? And then last but not least, 0 to 90 leg lifts, which are your regular leg lifts. You're going to go ahead and start at 0 and go all the way up to 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now we're back on our bellies. We're going to be doing belly snow angels. So think of doing a snow angel, but on your stomach, okay? So arms out, legs out. And what you're going to do is arms and legs are going to lift, and they're going to come all the way down together, okay? So let's go ahead and do 5 of those. Arms out, legs out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so now we're back on our our final activity today is a Russian twist. Some people call these cherry pickers too. Yeah, but they're pretty universal. So go ahead and lean back. I bend my legs and cross my ankles here. Grab my hands together. Make sure I'm twisting all the way to the side. You're gonna go like this, and then like that, okay? So let's go ahead and start. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3,